No prison can hold me, no hand or leg irons or steel locks can shackle me. No ropes or chains can keep me from my freedom. My brain is the key that sets me free. What the eye sees, the ear hears, and the mind believes. Never tell the audience how good you are, they will soon find out for themselves. Never try to fool children, they expect nothing, and therefore see everything. Magic is the sole science not accepted by scientists, because they can't understand it. An old trick well done is far better than a new trick with no effect. Keep up your enthusiasm. There is nothing more contagious than exuberant enthusiasm. My chief task has been to conquer fear. The public sees only the thrill of the accomplished trick. They have no conception of the tortuous preliminary self-training that was necessary to conquer fear. Look at this life, all mystery and magic. A magician is only an actor pretending to be a magician. Some say I do it this way, others say I do it that way, but I say I do it the other way. The secret of showmanship consists not of what you really do, but what the mystery-loving public thinks you do. The greatest escape I ever made was when I left Appleton, Wisconsin. Anyone who believes in magic is a fool. I always have on my mind the thought that next year I must do something greater, something more wonderful. I am not an irretrievable skeptic. I am not hopelessly prejudiced. I am perfectly willing to believe, and my mind is wide open, but I have, as yet, to be convinced. I am perfectly willing, but the evidence must be sane and conclusive. I knew, as everyone knows, that the easiest way to attract a crowd is to let it be known that at a given time and a given place someone is going to attempt something that in the event of failure will mean sudden death. That's what attracts us to the man who paints the flagstaff on the tall building, or to the human fly who scales the walls of the same building. Fire has always been and, seemingly, will always remain, the most terrible of the elements. I must fling myself down and writhe, I must strive with every piece of force I possess. I bruise and batter myself against the floor, the walls, I strain and sob and exhaust myself, and begin again, and exhaust myself again. But do I feel pain? Never. How can I feel pain? There is no place for it. The sun represents the right half of the body and the moon the left half. The pickpocket is usually very well dressed and of prepossessing appearance. My professional life has been a constant record of disillusion, and many things that seem wonderful to most men are the everyday commonplaces of my business. But then, so far as I know, I am the only performer who ever pledged his assistance to secrecy, honor and allegiance under a notarial oath. The great trouble with magicians is the fact that they believe when they have bought a certain trick or piece of apparatus, and know the method of procedure, that they are full-fledged mystifiers.
Which quote did you like the most? Share your opinion in the comments. Don't miss out a chance to see next video. Subscribe.